Hi friends, today we will discuss with you about abstract classes in Python. So basically a class which contains one or more abstract methods is called abstract class, right? So in normally we have a class, we have a methods, right? Here a class should have a abstract method one or more, then it is called abstract class. You can create a set of methods that must be created within any child class built from the abstract class. That means you will create the methods in child class, right? That is built on the basis of abstract class, right? So abstract method is a method that has a declaration. Abstract method has a declaration but doesn't have an implementation. So remember this thing, abstract method will have declaration but doesn't have implementation. This is important point. This is also important point, and this is also important. There now when we want to provide a common interface for different implements of component, then we use the abstract class, right? By default Python doesn't provide abstract classes. By default it doesn't provide, but by using abc module, abstract based classes module, we can do the abstraction. A method becomes abstract when decorated with a keyword at the rate abstracted, right? So this is the basic points about the abstraction classes in Python. Let us see. Now let us see. We will see. So first, what we are learning, abstraction in abstraction we are learning, right? Okay, so now make class. So first we will have to do the import module. We will have to import the module abc and abstract method right? So now do that, import 1 minute, from abc, import abc module, then abstract method. So import these abstract method and abc. Now make a class. Make now abstract class we will create. So class my suppose class कर लो father, or you will have to pass abc here. To make it this class abstract, you should have to pass here abc. To make this class abstract, you will pass to here at the abc, you will have to pass here the parameter in the father, right? To make it abstract. Now at the rate abstract method, we define def. Suppose we take display method, suppose we take this method, right? And we just only here declaring here, we are here only the declaring the display method but not giving the implementation. Okay, fine. So now create a child class. Now we will make child class. So class child and father, pass the father. Now you will have to use you will have to, here you did not have give the implementation part, so here in the child class you will have to give the implementation of this method def, right? So now def display print, you can say child abstract, you can say child abstract method, you can say this, right? Now create object, ऑब्जेक्ट क्रिएट करते हैं, लेट अस सी obj create object of child class, right? Now axis obj dot display. So what should be the output? देखो, let us see. Just first here we import the module abc add abstract method. Here to make this father class abstract class, we will pass here abc, and this method is a, here this method is a abstract method. We just declare here but did not give any implementation part we are giving here child class. So if you run this, the output is child abstract method, right? So this is here abstract method, you just here give the declaration and implement as you have given here, right? So this is a basic example of abstraction, right? Suppose one more example I will explain you about abstraction. This is example 1. Suppose this is example 1. Suppose this is example 1. Now I will explain you example 2. Example 2 I will explain you. So in example 2, same thing, you will have to import these two modules, right? After this you will have to also create this class. Suppose now we make it comment here. Now let us see another example of abstract. So what we have done here, we have now simply import the module, create the class, abstract class. Now abstract class create, we create abstract class. Suppose we take a class of fruit, suppose we make it fruits, and pass here abc, right? Define the method, suppose @abstract method. Now def and we make method taste, right? So now simply pass this method, right? Now what we'll have to do, we will make another class of suppose we make another class of fruits and like apple. Suppose we make this class apple and inherit fruits property, right? And now make method, same method taste, and print apple is sweet, tasty, right? So now we make another class, suppose we take banana, pass the fruits, and define taste method and print banana is banana is tasty, right? Now here this is main class fruits and this is subclass apple and banana, right? Now create object, right? So this is main class and this is, you can say, of subclass. You can also say subclass, you can say, right? Okay, now create object. We will create, okay, for first you will create object for apple, right? Create apple and obj dot which method, test method you called. Now make object for object 1, suppose for banana, add axis banana dot test. Now so what will happen in this, so this is our abstract class fruits, this is our method. Here only declaration and implementation done in this apple and banana class, right? So here in apple class we inherit the fruits property, right? So here we define def taste self, print apple is tasty, and class banana fruits we inherit fruits property and define the taste implementation. Banana is tasty. Okay, now we create the separate object for apple and for banana, and now access the method taste. If you run this, so you can see apple is tasty and banana is tasty. So in this way you can use the abstract method and abstract class, right? Here we did, in main class we did not give any implementation, we give only the declaration, and here in the subclasses we give the implementation of the method. So this is kind of abstraction in Python, right? Thank you for watching. Thanks.